Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Porter cable Pancake air compressor, and this is actually the 6-gallon and it's 150 psi. And you know, I originally bought this because I needed it for a finish nailer. I'd had to do a lot of trim work on a project, and so I started using it for that. And I'll tell you, I didn't think I'd use it a whole lot more until I got it, and now I use it for bicycle tires, blowing up different things, a couple different air tools, and it works really well. But let me jump into a few of the specifics. First of all, I wanted one that was compact. And this one is pretty lightweight. It's not too heavy, but it is definitely a solid air compressor. And from here, got the cable, comes with and extends pretty long. I really like that feature. And you have the 150 PSI and 6 gallons, 2.6 SCFM. Here are your gauges. On the left, you can see you have the tank pressure. On the right, you have the regulated pressure here, and you can turn this right here to adjust it to whatever you need. And then you have the ability for another one right here as well. I would say that I'd like to see a longer cord on here, but I understand they made it short so that everything is really compact. But the cord itself isn't really long, and I find that I end up needing an extension cord, but I guess normally the power is a little bit further from where I'm working anyway. Overall, I'm really happy with this, and like I said, I'm using it for a lot of different things besides just the finish nailer I originally purchased it for. And it, as it says here, you know, it says maintenance-free pump, and it has literally been maintenance-free for me, and it's one I would definitely recommend.